Hello everyone and welcome to our third part of equations practice. Today we're going to be focusing on our Friday pages, which are page 19 and 20 in your equations practice packet. Let's remember our big picture. The primary goal in solving equations is to get the variable by itself. That means either the variables on the left or the variables on the right. Either way. We need to use opposites to your advantage to get the variables by themselves. Your third big picture thing that we need to remember is that before we do any opposites, we need to have like terms put together on the same side. So here's an example problem of what you are doing today. I want you to notice here on the left side of the equation, I have a combine like terms. Notice 3x plus 5x is 8x. This is a combine like terms because they are both positive. I am adding them together on the same side. On the left-hand side, I want you to notice this is a zero pair. I have 6x minus 2x. That's a zero pair because they are opposites. So 6 minus 2x is 4x. Notice the number 28 did not change. Now this is where I'm ready to look at step number 2, using opposites to my advantage to get the variable by itself. Strategically, it makes more sense for us to side-side flip the 4x to the left. That will keep our variable positive on our left, and I'm going to say, well, side-side flip a positive 4, that's going to be a negative 4x, and I subtract. Notice the 28 does not change, so I bring it down. Notice I used opposites to my advantage to get the 4x by itself. Now, this variable is connected to the number 4 through multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. We are going to regroup. We are going to change the grouping. Instead of 4x equals 28, I only want a group of 1. Notice when I put each in 4 groups, 4 divided by 4 is the big giant 1. X equals 28 divided by 4 is 7. In each group, I have 7 tiles. Now, this is the big picture of what you are doing today. You're combining like terms through addition. You're combining like terms through zero pairs. You're going to do side-side flips. You're going to do a regroup. These are the problems that I'm asking you to do. So notice at the top of page 19, it starts off a little bit easier with straightforward side-side flips and then a regroup. 2 steps, no big deal. Okay? In 17b, same thing. Notice that was the top. This is the bottom of the page. Notice on the back side of page 20, this is where things get pretty complicated. Notice that we've got to combine like terms on each side before we do a side-side flip and a regroup. Now, some of these are combine like terms through addition, right? 11x equals 5x minus 54. That's a combine like terms because they're both addition. Whereas some of these problems are zero pairs. A zero pair is when you have subtraction. 7 minus 3x is 4x on my left side. On my right side, I notice 7 take away 6x take away 4x. That's going to give me 2x. Notice, if something doesn't change, I just write it down. Before you do a side-side flip and a regroup, you need to combine like terms or do a zero pair on this back side. Good luck. and we'll see you soon.